Benefit 1 is reduced chemical exposure. Saltwater pools use a salt chlorine generator to produce chlorine from salt, which results in a lower concentration of chloramines and other chemical byproducts present in traditional chlorine pools. This means swimmers are exposed to fewer harsh chemicals, resulting in less skin and eye irritation, and a more natural swimming experience. Benefit 2 is softer water. The presence of salt in the pool creates a silky smooth water texture, making swimming more enjoyable and comfortable. This softer water can be gentler on the skin and hair, reducing the dryness and brittleness often associated with swimming in traditional chlorine pools. Benefit 3 is easier maintenance. Saltwater pools automatically generate the chlorine needed, reducing the frequency and amount of manual chemical adjustments necessary. This automated process can help maintain a steady chlorine level, ensuring the pool remains sanitized with less effort required from pool owners. Benefit 4 is cost-effectiveness over time. Although the initial investment in a saltwater system can be higher than a traditional chlorinated system, the ongoing cost of chemicals is significantly reduced. Pool owners also save on equipment maintenance and replacement due to the less corrosive nature of saltwater compared to high levels of chlorine. Benefit 5 is fewer odors. Unlike traditional chlorine pools that can exude a strong bleach-like smell due to chloramines, saltwater pools have a much milder, often imperceptible scent. This can make the swimming environment more pleasant and inviting for users who are sensitive to strong chemical odors. Benefit 6 is ecological benefits. A saltwater pool generally requires fewer chemicals to maintain acceptable water quality, reducing the number of harmful substances that can potentially affect the environment. This makes saltwater pools a more eco-friendly option for those concerned about their ecological footprint. Benefit 7 is reduced risk of skin and eye irritation. Traditional chlorine pools can lead to red eyes and irritated skin due to high chlorine levels and the byproducts they create. Saltwater pools, with their more consistent and gentler chlorine production, tend to cause fewer of these common complaints among swimmers. Benefit 8 is potentially longer swimwear life. The reduced chemical concentration in a saltwater pool means that swimwear and pool accessories are subjected to less wear and tear from harsh chemicals. Over time, this can extend the life of swimsuits and gear, saving money in the long run. Benefit 9 is the continuous chlorine generation process. Saltwater systems allow for the steady production of chlorine, which helps keep the pool sanitized without the peaks and troughs associated with manually adding chlorine tablets or liquid forms. This results in a more consistently clean and healthy swimming environment. Benefit 10 is minimal storage and handling of hazardous chemicals. Traditional chlorine pools require owners to store, measure, and handle chlorine products, which pose risks of spills and accidental exposure. In contrast, saltwater pools require significantly less intervention with dangerous chemicals, enhancing safety for both pool owners and maintenance staff. Benefit 11 is the enhanced swimming experience. Many swimmers report that saltwater pools feel more like swimming in natural waters, such as the ocean, without the harshness of high chlorine levels. The gentle water, reduced chemical smell, and overall pleasant environment can contribute to a more enjoyable and relaxing time in the pool.